recording this video on the week of Thanksgiving, so it only makes sense that we start today's video by giving thanks. So first and foremost, I want to give thanks to God for life and also for the opportunity to work with CurlsQueen today. And also, I want to thank God for you guys. Yes, for you, and for you. Thank you so much for all the likes, for the shares, the comments, for subscribing to my channel. Even if you're just passing by, your presence helps the algorithm. So thank you all so much. And then last but not the least, I want to thank CurlsQueen for choosing to work with me on today's video. I am truly honored and I am grateful. Let's just get right into it. The extensions arrived in this lovely box, and on it are the words to be fresh, gifted, female, and black. Upon opening the box, the first thing you see is a pouch that holds extra combs, a bonnet, and a hairbrush. This bag holds the lock extensions, which we'll get to later. At the bottom of the box is a brochure that tells you a little more about CurlsQueen, how to get in touch with them, their social media information, and if you need to make a return, either for a refund or for a repair, they will help with that. And then finally is a thank you card, which I find very charming. Now let's get a close-up of what the extensions look like. CurlsQueen lock extensions are handmade with 100% virgin human hair, and they are available from 6 inches to 20 inches, 0.2 centimeters to 0.6 centimeters wide. You can either go for a partial head bundle, which is 5 pieces equals 50 locks, or you can go for a glam full head, which is 10 pieces equaling 100 locks. We're gonna get right into installation, but before we do that, I want to recommend that if you're going to use extensions, make sure you're doing it on 2-3 weeks post retie. You do not want to attach combs to your freshly retied scalp. It's going to hurt and you might have damage to your locks. So please make sure you have a little bit of undergrowth before you install any kind of extensions. You guys know that I have talked about coloring my hair, but I have been really hesitant. CurlsQueen, they did try to match the color of my hair, but it turned out a little lighter. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. This is one extension. And if I put this close to my hair, you can see the difference between my actual hair and the extensions. The color is not an exact match, but that's not terrible. Guess what? This can serve as highlights. So since I'm not coloring my hair, I can find other ways to get color into my hair. And extensions is a great way. This clearly holds color very well because this was colored to match my hair. And after touching and rubbing my fingers through it, it's not dry. I have washed this after getting it and I haven't applied any oils, no spray, nothing. This does not feel dry at all. So this is very good quality. So do I recommend CurlsQueen? Absolutely. All right, so let's add some highlights to my hair, shall we? So here are a few reasons why I recommend CurlsQueen lock extensions. If you're looking for a way to infuse a little bit of color to your locks, but you don't want to actually color your locks, lock extensions. Absolutely. Because this, look at that. This is absolute game changer. I have been trying to color my hair for a very long time. I was just a little too afraid. So now that I have lock extensions, I can color the extensions to either match my hair or to infuse a little bit of color, highlights. And you guys can tell me this doesn't look good. This looks absolutely amazing. The options you have as lock sisters, love it. Also, so if you're looking for volume, yep, this is what you need to do. Get yourself a CurlsQueen extension. You don't even need a lot. This is 100 additional locks. 50 is a good place to start. And this does not feel heavy, by the way. Okay, I have 100 locks attached to this small head of mine and it doesn't feel heavy at all. So if you feel like 100 might be too much for you, they also have the option of 50. It's okay. You can start small and build your way up, you know? No pressure, no hurry, no rush. Just take your time, whatever works for you. But this 100% adds volume to your hair. For joining me on today's video, and of course to CurlsQueen for this amazing opportunity. I'll catch you all later. Have a blessed day, have a blessed week. God bless you.